Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be guiding you on how to sign up on Odnoklassniki. For that, open up your Odnoklassniki app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of register. Tap on it. Grant all the permissions prompt on the screen. Select the country where you live for your country code. Now enter your phone number. After you are done, tap on next. Odnoklassniki will now send you a verification code on your phone number. Enter the verification code. Then tap on next. Now, create a password. Be sure that your password is at least 6 characters and contains only Latin letters. When you are done, tap on next, which is on top right of your screen. Enter your first name and your last name. Select your birth year, birth month, and birthday. Select your gender and then tap on continue. Select the topics you are interested in. After that, tap on done, which is at the bottom of your screen. This way you can create Odnoklassniki account. Now you can watch videos, listen to music, buy online, watch new series, and so on. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.